Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Shein account. It's actually really easy to do. I've heard that Shein has potentially had the information leaked on people's accounts, so if that is truly the case, it's really, really important to make sure that your payment information or anything like that is not accessible to hackers. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of your payment information and delete your account on Shein. It's really, really easy to do. So you're just going to want to head over to your web browser, whether on iOS or Android, it works the same. So you just want to head over to your Me tab in the bottom right, and then you want to head to Settings in the top right corner, and then Payment Options. Now, this is where you'll be able to delete your payment options. I don't have any on here right now, but this is where you want to get rid of that. Once that's done, you want to back out twice, back to you see Support, and you want to click on Support, and then you want to click on the Account option. Just get rid of this video. So click on Account. And then once you're on there, you want to scroll down and you will see an option, How to Delete My Account. Now, honestly, this whole tab doesn't really have much useful information. It just explains basically how you can remove it from your Facebook and stuff like that. So if that applies to you, you guys can head to this page yourselves and read through this and delete it on there. But for anyone else who just has the account, you want to scroll down more, and then you will see an option to contact customer service. You want to click on that. And then once that opens, you want to scroll up to the top and click on Account. And then you want to click on Account Issue. And then you just want to put Delete Account. And then for some people, when you do this, you'll see a pop-up saying Manual Service. If you don't see Manual Service, you just want to actually search Manual Service. And then it'll pop up a little blue link like that. So you want to click on Manual Service and then Submit a Ticket. And then for for the question type, you want to click on Account Issue. And then you just want to say that you want your account deleted. So just please delete my account and data. And then you just want to click Submit. And then once it's submitted, it's basically just going to let you know that it can take up to 24 hours and any updates will show in your service records. And then you could obviously test it by just trying to log in again. I really hope this helps you out and none of your information gets stolen. If it did, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.